Forex trading, also known as foreign exchange trading, is the act of buying and selling currencies on the foreign exchange market. Forex trading is attractive to many investors because of its high liquidity, which means that trades can be executed quickly and easily. In addition, Forex trading is available 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, which allows traders to participate in the market at any time. To trade Forex, traders use a broker to access the market and a trading platform to execute their trades. Traders can choose to trade manually or use automated trading systems, which are also known as expert advisors, ACAs. Automated trading systems use algorithms to analyze the market and execute trades based on predefined criteria. There are many different trading strategies used in Forex trading, including technical analysis, fundamental analysis, and sentiment analysis. Technical analysis involves using charts and indicators to identify patterns and trends in the market. Fundamental analysis involves analyzing economic and political factors that can impact currency prices. Sentiment analysis involves gauging the overall mood of traders and investors towards a particular currency. Forex trading can be risky, and traders should be aware of the potential for losses. Traders should also be aware of the risks associated with leveraged trading, which can amplify gains and losses. To manage risk, traders can use tools such as stop-loss orders to automatically close out losing trades. Overall, Forex trading can be a rewarding and exciting activity for those who are interested in the financial markets. With careful planning, education, and risk management, traders can potentially earn profits from trading currencies on the foreign exchange market. In addition to the trading strategies mentioned earlier, there are other factors that can influence Forex trading. One of these factors is the carry trade, which involves borrowing money in a low interest rate currency and investing it in a high interest rate currency. The goal is to earn the interest rate differential between the two currencies. Another factor is the impact of news and economic data releases on currency prices. Traders often pay attention to economic indicators such as gross domestic product, GDP, inflation, and unemployment rates to anticipate market moves. One of the biggest advantages of Forex trading is the ability to use leverage, which allows traders to control larger positions with a smaller amount of capital. However, leverage can also increase risk, and traders should use it with caution. To be successful in Forex trading, traders need to develop a trading plan and have the discipline to stick to it. This includes setting goals, determining risk tolerance, and establishing entry and exit points for trades. Traders also need to continually educate themselves about the markets and stay up to date on news and economic developments that can impact currency prices. They can do this by following financial news sources, attending webinars and seminars, and reading books and articles on Forex trading. Finally, it's important for traders to manage their emotions when trading. Fear, greed, and other emotions can cloud judgment and lead to poor decision-making. By staying calm and focused, traders can make more rational decisions and potentially earn profits from Forex trading. In addition to the trading strategies and risk management techniques mentioned earlier, there are several other important considerations for Forex traders. These include choosing a broker. The right broker can make a big difference in a trader's success. Traders should look for a broker that is regulated by a reputable authority, offers a reliable trading platform, and provides competitive spreads and fees. Keeping a trading journal. A trading journal can help traders track their progress, identify strengths and weaknesses, and make improvements to their trading strategies. It should include details such as entry and exit points, the rationale behind each trade, and the outcome of each trade. Developing a mindset for success. Successful traders have a positive mindset and a willingness to learn from their mistakes. They also have a disciplined approach to trading, and are able to control their emotions and stick to their trading plan. Understanding the impact of leverage. While leverage can amplify gains, it can also increase risk. Traders should use leverage with caution and understand the potential impact of leverage on their trading account. Diversifying their portfolio. Diversification can help spread risk and reduce the impact of losses. Traders can diversify their portfolio by trading multiple currency pairs, using different trading strategies, and investing in other asset classes. Forex trading can be a challenging and rewarding activity for those who are willing to put in the time and effort to learn the markets and develop a sound trading plan. By following best practices and staying disciplined, traders can potentially earn profits from trading currencies on the foreign exchange market. Another important aspect of Forex trading is money management. Traders need to have a clear understanding of how much capital they are willing to risk on each trade and how to manage their overall exposure to the market. This can involve using tools such as position sizing, which determines the appropriate amount of capital to risk on each trade based on the trader's risk tolerance and account size. Traders should also have a clear understanding of their exit strategy for each trade. This can involve setting stop-loss orders to limit losses and take profit orders to lock in profits. Additionally, traders should consider using trailing stops, which move in the trader's favor as the trade progresses, to protect profits and limit losses. In addition to technical analysis, fundamental analysis, and sentiment analysis, traders can also use other tools to inform their trading decisions. For example, they can use trading indicators such as moving averages, Bollinger Bands, and Relative Strength Index (RSI) to identify trends and potential entry and exit points for trades. Finally, traders should be aware of the potential impact of external factors on the markets, such as geopolitical events, natural disasters, and other unforeseen circumstances. These events can cause significant volatility in the markets, and traders should have a plan in place to manage risk in these situations. Overall, Forex trading can be a challenging but rewarding activity for those who are willing to put in the time and effort to learn the markets and develop a sound trading plan. By following best practices, managing risk, and staying disciplined, traders can potentially earn profits from trading currencies on the foreign exchange market. Regenerate response. ChatGPT March 23 version. Free research preview. ChatGPT may produce inaccurate information about people, places, or facts.